That's weird too.
We had a flight. I'm a little late to the party, of course. I posted or sharing it with you. I finished mine. We had a matcha, a sencha, a black tea, and a hojicha. And then some stuff. Insert picture of what our thing looked like. Leah still has one left. She has her kimono on. Right down the street over here.
You did the job.
Not sunny today, but it's alright. We're just here tea tasting. After this, we go to Guillaume District. Low wrinkle. No iron in the place. She's mad I'm taking up her screen time. She felt, look, turn your head. Show them your head, Leah. Show them your head. Look at that. She has a dumpling in her head. Is that durian in your head? What is that? Oh, it looks like durian. That's cool. It matches that. Right on. It's like books and stuff, or art? Wow. Stick watch out for the bike though. Oh, look at that tree. It's very cool. We're not sure what this is exactly. Oh, it's like a...
Yes.
Oh, it's like a stove. Look at Leah. She always gotta look all pretty and stuff. Look at them. Alright, it's just me and Leah chilling on the side of the street. She's now kimono-less.
Freedom.
Freedom.
I can breathe again.
She don't got the How you do? Cantaloupe. Anyway, we're currently sitting on the side of the street. Yes, on the side of the street.
No way.
On the side of the street. Where else can you do this in the world? Everywhere. You can sit on the side of the street anywhere. The streets are free. Right now we're looking for food. Ramen most likely as our last meal. We're gonna go chill by the river, maybe, and then go pack. It's the end of our last day. It was crazy.
Hello. You ready?
Oh, look, there's people crossing.
No way. Where
That's how
else
people
in
cross the
world
street.
can you cross?
Where else in the world can you watch people cross the street while sitting on the side of the road?
Pretty. Amused. Baby too.
We'll check back with the ramen. Hopefully, I'll remember to record it before I eat it. We are currently off to get some ramen, like a demon ramen place, whatever that means. I just know it's supposed to be spicy. I'm currently in an area I've never been in. Looks pretty cool. We're back in Tokyo. Leah's at a cafe. Finally back at the airport where our Japanese journey began. Oh, sorry, we're still at Narita Airport, but we haven't made it to LA yet. Or San Francisco. Wait back there. Got a 9-hour flight. And then 4-hour flight maybe? 3 hour? Don't know. We're done. I'll bounce the next day.